Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I'm going to take those beautiful tassels that I taught you how to make a couple videos back, and we're going to make an amazing tassel banner to decorate your room or birthday party. Real simple, real easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. For this project, you'll need assorted tassels, a tapestry needle, yarn, and scissors. So first thing you're going to do is take your yarn, and I'm going to make this about 6 feet long, and just cut it off and loop it over your finger and just tie an end point. So I'm going to tie this off by just wrapping it over around my finger and through to make my little anchor point. There you go. You do that on just one side. Then thread the other side, the loose side, through your tapestry needle. Now, if you haven't learned how to make tassels yet, make sure you check out my other video that tells you how to make tassels. Now, these tassels I've made a little bit bigger and a little bit longer. These are actually, I believe, 4-inch tassels, and they're made out of yarn, so they're a little puffier than the ones that I teach you how to make. What you want to do is make a bunch of these ahead of time. And usually what I do is I have a little loop that you can hang off for like a necklace or something, but as you can see, there's your tie-off point, and the tie-off point is all you need on this one. So you can actually, what I did is took that loop and twisted it and just put it underneath there so that it hid away. Okay, you lay out your pattern. I'm going to go pink, green, blue, pink, green, blue, pink, green, blue. I like to lay it out ahead of time just so I don't forget, because this is very, very easy. But if you have them like sitting in a stack, it's easy to forget which one goes first, second, third. So take your needle and see where that hang tab tie around is. Just place your needle right underneath it and thread it through. Do the same thing with the next one. Find the tie off, stick it underneath, and just make sure you're getting just underneath that and pull it through. And same thing with the blue one. And continue doing this. Don't worry about placement right now because you have plenty of time to take care of placement once you get it tied off. There you go. Just keep finding that little tie off, slip underneath, all the way to your last one. Oop. Now, once you get them all in there, all you got to do is tie off another loop at the other end. So fold it over, around your finger, push it through. So you've got your little hang tag, and then just space out your tassels. And this is best and easiest when you actually have it hanging up, because then you can just space them out accordingly as you got it hung up. And that's all there is to making this super simple but super cute tassel banner. And yarn comes in so many great colors. You're going to have so much fun making these. If you like this craft, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And hey, leave us a comment down below if you've got any ideas for what you'd like to see to decorate your room. And I'll see if I can't come up with something fun from your ideas. I love inspiration that comes from my audience. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.